In this lecture, guys, I want to show you the effect of a stroke on the circles. I encourage you to put a stroke and start playing with it and see exactly how you want your transition. Let's go to Matte Circle and select all the shape layer. Put the color to white at 100% for all of them and give it, for example, 10. Okay, so you notice here it is, you have 10. Okay, 10 might be too much, but just to show you the example, if I go back here, you notice the effect of the stroke. Now you have definite circles that you can see, and since the color is plain white, you have a full reveal for the Luma inverted of the bottom layer. You can come over and start playing with the color. Now what's interesting also, if you take the last layer, it doesn't make sense here. So how about just for the last layer, you give it a black color. Here you are. Let's go back and see where is it. It's over here. Now with the black color, you notice there is zero reveal of the bottom layer, and you have a different kind of transition, a bit enigmatic, or the way you would like. Of course, you can come and play and add some effects here. In the next lectures, I will show you how to add effects in a very simple way using the adjustment layers. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you in the next lecture.